Unit 1. My Hobbies.
Unit 1, page 6. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Hi, Me. Welcome to our house.
Come upstairs. I'll show you my room.
Wow, you have so many dolls.
Yes, my hobby is collecting dolls. Do you have a hobby?
I like collecting glass bottles.
Really? That's very unusual. Is it expensive?
Not at all. I just keep the bottles after we use them. What about doll collecting? Is it expensive?
I guess so, but all of my dolls are presents. My parents and my aunt and uncle always give me dolls on special occasions.
Your dolls are all very different.
Yes, they're from all over the world.
I don't know why girls collect things. It's a piece of cake.
Do you have a difficult hobby, Nick?
Yes, I enjoy mountain climbing.
But Nick, there are no mountains around here.
I know. I'm in a mountain climbing club. We travel to mountains around Vietnam. In the future, I'll climb mountains in other countries too.
Listen and repeat.
Cycling. Arranging flowers. Taking photos. Skating. Cooking. Playing the guitar. Bird watching. Playing board games. Gardening.